Namaskar. Welcome back to my channel. Today, actually, I'm in mood to play with the numbers and only three first numbers, 1, 2, and 3. So today, we will learn different types of tehai which can be made by three numbers. It is 1, 2, and 3, or you can say 8, 2, 3. So let's learn number 1 tehai of today. So the first tehai is a Vedam tehai. It is between every palla there is no gap, as I have mentioned earlier in previous lessons. So first, the first tehai of the numbers, you can say these tehai which make the numbers. This is the Ginti Ka Tehai. Okay. So today's first tehai, the first Ginti Ka Tehai is a Vedam tehai, and this is like that. Do, ti, ek, 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 do, ti. So now I will discuss what is this. So there is a 3 number in each line. Okay. So in first line there is a much more gap. Okay. A, do, ti. There is a full gap between every numbers. A, 1 matra, do, 1 matra, ti. And in next line the gap will be decreased, and the matra, the gap will be of half matra. A, half matra, do, half matra, ti. And in last line, there is no gap, there is no matra between these numbers, do, ti. So you can imagine there is hyphen. If you are imagining each half matra as a hyphen, then you can imagine it or write it down like A, double hyphen, do, double hyphen, ti. And then comes A, hyphen, do, hyphen, ti. And then A, do, ti. In English, 1, double hyphen, 2, double hyphen, 3, then 1 hyphen 2 hyphen 3, and in next line there is 1, 2, 3. And as I have mentioned it earlier, that there is no gap between these pallas because this is a Vedam tehai. So after reciting this line, it will be A. From this matra, you have to recite A, the next palla. There is no gap like ek, do, teen, A. This is ek, do, teen, A. Okay? You have to practice it more and more. So now we will learn the tehai in full time. Listen, the tehai is very simple. There is only flat pitch. Okay? So first we will do it with Naman Hastaks. You can hold the Naman Hastaks while doing the card or the footwear in tehai, or you can hold your dress, your lehenga, whatever you have wear, or you can put some style with doing some gestures, some hand movements along with the footwear. So first we will do just with the Naman hand movement of Hasta. So follow my feet. Simple flat feet. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay. So now I will do it the same thing with some gestures, some more body language. I'm putting some more enjoyable, some more entertaining. Well, I'm repeating it again. The footwork will be the main focus. You can add or subtract any hand movements, any gestures. Okay, this is up to you. I'm just giving you an example. So I'm doing it like that. A, go, T. 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 Now, number 2. We have learned Bidam Tehai. Now we will learn Dam Dat Tehai using these 3 numbers. Okay. In this Tehai, there is a gap after every palla. That's why this is Dam Dat Tehai. If you don't know that what is Vedam and what is Dam Dat, please check my previous lessons. Now, this Dam Dat Tehai is like that. A, do, ti, 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 2, a, do, ti, 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 1, 2, a, do, ti, a, do, ti, a, do, ti, a, do, ti, a, do, ti. Now, you can recite it by not mentioning the gap into, okay? You can remain silent in this section. So now I am doing this recitation of the Tehai, remaining silent in this section of gap, which I have mentioned at the top. So, maintaining this section, this style. A, do, ti, 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 a, do, ti. Okay, now the footwork will be same just like the previous Tehai you have learned. So the foot I have show you for one time. This is like a, do, tin, 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 a, do, tin. A, do, ti, a, do, ti, a, do, ti, a, do, ti. A, do, ti, a, do, ti, a, do, ti, a, do, ti, a, do, ti. If you don't want to use the clap while taking the gap, you can also take a swift chakra, okay? Though you have to practice more and more to put the chakra perfectly. I am showing you this style also. So, A. Sorry, I have to take another pill. Because this is the rule. Do, ti, a, do, ti, a, do, ti, a, do, ti, a, do, ti. 1, 2, A. Do, ti, a, do, ti, a, do, ti, a, do, ti, a, do, ti. 1, 2, A. Do, ti, a, do, ti, a, do, ti, a, do, ti, a, do, ti. In future, we will learn some more Tehai like this, like Ginti Ka Tehai, using the 3 numbers, 4 numbers, 5 numbers, 6, 7, etc. For today, these 2 Tehai is enough for you. Practice this perfectly. We will learn in future the more Tehai. So this is all for today. Practice it perfectly. Put some different style in hashtags, in your gestures. But remember this, if you are putting some more hashtags, some more gestures, always use your eyes. Okay, your eyes should follow your hand. And while doing the high, don't underestimate the football because this is the focus of the high. So I'm Shraddha Chakrabarty signing off from today's class. Thank you. Now start.